20 years of journey of naturals, more than 650 franchises. It is not an easy joke. Hats off to Mr. Kumaravel and Mrs. Kumaravel. And for the next 20 years, plan has made, roadmap has made. See, beauty is very important, not only for the ladies, for the gents too. So they are concentrating on that. For that, we have to train students. So what is my request to Mr. Kumaravel? Why don't we teach the course in the university as a certificate course or diploma course, even a degree, 3-year degree course, if they want. If they want. Yes, because a lot of students are doing their BCom, BBA and other courses. But whether the job is sure or not, but here job is sure. So this will be a job-oriented course. And it is an innovative course also. So I request Brother Kumaravel to make a syllabus, 3 types of syllabus. One is for the certificate course for 6 months, and for the diploma course for the 1 year, and if it is necessary, a 3-year degree course in beautician and training thing. So definitely Wales University will support for their new thing.
Parsarathi, Monica, CAD, members of Naturals team, the members of the press. It gives me immense pleasure and privilege to stand in front of you on the occasion of our 20th anniversary. It's really a dream come true moment. The dream of when we started this journey way back in 2000, we never thought we are going to reach here. We usually overestimate what we can achieve in 1 year and grossly underestimate what we can do in 20 years. And that's exactly what has happened today. I think looking back, we have grossly underestimated what we can do in 20 years. We never thought we will reach this far. So it's because of all the stakeholders coming together, and that's where the journey becomes very special and very important. We call our company the Groom India, which means the Indians, if they look good, they will feel good. If they feel good, they will perform good. If they perform good, again, they will look good. Though our primary business is about making people look good, if you look at the back end of the process, is not about looking good. The back end process is about creating women entrepreneurship. The back end process is about making women financially independent. The back end process is about erasing the word called housewife from the Indian dictionary. The back end process is about what you call creating a lot of jobs. What India requires is not, as Monica was highlighting, what India requires. Abdul Kalam puts it so beautifully. He says, India doesn't require job seekers. India requires job providers. India requires entrepreneurs. And that is exactly what this beauty industry offers. An opportunity to create a lot of entrepreneurs who in turn will go and create jobs. And that's what is the network effect, what we have made over the period of time. We have come a long way. I've been very thankful to all the stakeholders who have made this journey possible.
Subscribe to Walgan Television.
Please subscribe Walgan Television.